Namaste, my name is Vinay Siddhaya. Trataka is a simple yogic technique which means steady gazing, wherein by focusing the mind on one point, you are cutting down all the distractions of the mind. This 10 days workshop is a unique and a detailed workshop to go deeper into the practice of Trataka. We started giving this workshop initially for professional sports shooters who were playing at national and international level and found that it extremely benefited them in their sport.
I'm Srijan. I'm into 10 meters air rifle shooting and I'm in the Indian shooting team. Tataka workshop really helped me in improving my eye stability and it really helped me and my performance is improved and I can concentrate more. I can concentrate more for a longer period of time than before.
The workshop is designed such that you will learn the technique in a progressive manner.
It was led to another. Each day led to another and another and another. And so finally, by the end of 10 days, I can say that it was an experience that was worth it.
What really worked for me was how simply and beautifully you ran the workshop each day.
I was wondering what is there to what is the theory so much? But I really like the way you built it up slowly over a period of time. And I agree with you. Thank God you did not tell us many things in advance.
The workshop will be especially beneficial for those who spend a lot of time sitting in front of computers and for students who are working on improving their concentration and memory power.
I still practice Trataka and I can feel the changes within me immensely. Some changes include sleeping well, increase in memory and power concentration. Initially, I also had difficulty with sitting still and my hands and legs would always be erratic everywhere. But with practice, I achieved not only physical stability but also mental stability.
I actually enjoyed it. I found it peaceful and helpful as I am a college student. It helped my concentration a lot.
It also helps one to improve one's eyesight, cure eye diseases, and to reduce anxiety and stress. It is particularly beneficial for those suffering from insomnia.
I've been suffering from watering eyes, uncontrollable, any time of day, inside and outside, all through the seasons for some 2 years. The Ayurvedic doctor suggested I went on this course, the Trataka course, which we did. And I have to say that it's really been amazing how my eyes have improved since then. By the end of the 10 days, even going for a walk in the cold, my eyes only just watered very, very little, very, very little.
When I watch TV, specifically the news channel that actually scrolls the news, that used to kind of, appear a little blur or a double vision for me. And I wanted to get my eyesight checked and I thought, let me go through this workshop. And I figured out that I think by the 6th or the 7th day, I kind of, though I refrained from watching too much of TV, but then I figured out that, my vision was a lot better as compared to how it was, especially watching the TV with the scrolling news.
The very first thing which caught my attention was that it would help alleviate insomnia. My sleep has been constantly inadequate for as long as I can remember. Since the day I started Trataka, my sleep has improved significantly and I couldn't be happier about it. What makes Trataka more effective in my case is that it has enhanced my energy and I'm able to complete more things effectively as opposed to earlier where my energy would just slump away. Trataka has also helped me strengthen the awareness of my inner self.
This workshop is highly recommended for everyone who spend most of the time in front of system, whether it's employees or students attending online classes. The depth of the workshop is such that it suits yoga teachers and not just beginners.
I had a very little experience in Trataka. I had learned it in yoga teacher training and it was just, there's the candle, look at it type thing. And I have to say I'm blown away. The last 10 days were just amazing. And really gave me such a deep understanding as to how it works.
At one moment, I became one with the light.
I enjoyed the wonderful experience. Thank you, Vinay, for making us to experience all those things and making us to realize yoga is not just physical, beyond that and much more.
It is beautiful meditation, candle gazing, peaceful, calming, therapeutic, everything. It is something that everybody should try because it is so easy to follow it up later on at your homes.
The Trataka workshop was a lovely experience for me, and I highly recommend everyone to attend it. Thank you.
Really, really powerful. And I shall definitely continue with it. So thank you so much.
Thoroughly recommend the course. Vinay is fantastic.
So I would like to thank you, Vinay, and also I would like to thank Yoga Vijnana for this wonderful workshop.
Looking forward to share this technique with all of you. Thank you so much.